So in the last video, I've seen how to install Kali Linux and Metasploit 2 in VMware Workstation Player. And in this video, we will try to scan for all the vulnerabilities that Metasploit 2 is having. All the network related or IP related vulnerabilities the Metasploit 2 Linux is having. So let us make this VMware Workstation as full screen so that we can view it properly. And the first task is to open a terminal. How easy it is. And we we have selected the NAT option while in the network adapter settings. So this Kali and Metasploitable 2 is on the same network, but to scan how many IPs, how many devices are on this same network, what you can do is we can make a ARP scan, which is the full form of address resolution protocol, ARP scan. And let me clear the screen. So first of all, what you need to do is open up a terminal, and to scan the list of devices with their IP, what we can do, we can perform a simple ARP scan, which will ping all the IPs from 0 to 255 in your local network, and from where the ping is returning some replay, it will list them all and show you. So let us perform the ARP scan. SCN. And our Kali machine and Metasploit 2 machine both are in the same network, so we will perform this scan operation only in local network. So let us do that, but it is saying that operation is not permitted, so you may have to use the sudo option, sudo, for doing this operation, and provide your password, which is Kali. And there you can see a list of the devices that are connected in this local network. And for more option, what you can do is you can press minus minus help, which will show you a help menu for this ARP scan option, so that you can use it. And here it is written in detailed which option is for what type of usage. And let us scroll up to the minus L, and here you can see generate address from network interface configuration, is the network interface ID, and a lot of things you can study here. So what it is doing, it is performing ARP scan on this local network only. But let's go back to the result again, and here we'll have a list of 4 IPs, or how many devices are running on this network will be listed here. And from here, the 1 and 2, the 10.10.10.1 and 2, these two are the network address, and there's some default configuration of VMware workstation, and the last one is the broadcast address of this local network. So only one IP is left, which is 10.10.10.131, and this is the MAC address of this device. So this is the target IP, which is the IP of Metasploit 2. If you want to check it again, you can go to the Metasploit 2 Linux, and by typing ifconfig, you will have the IP, and here you can see the IP is 10.10.10.131. So we got it right. Kali Linux got it right. This is the IP of the target machine. So we have the IP of the target machine. Now we can scan for all its network related vulnerabilities, means which service is up, which service is running on which port. We can scan for that. So let us make clear the screen first. And to scan the target, what we can take the help of nmap, or which is the network mapper, which is a very powerful tool for scanning the target. And the GUI version is nmap, which you can access from information gathering. And where it is. So I think it is not installed in this latest version, but you can download it and install it in your Kali. It is the GUI version, but let us scan the nmap. But as an hacker, you will always try to use the command line tools because it use less resources and you can download it from anywhere. So let us see what we can do with the nmap. So pass help, and here we will have a detailed menu of what actions can be performed with nmap. Here you will see a lot of options. You can read it one by one, or I will later make a video on these options. So you will have list scan, ping scan, and scan techniques, SS, TCP synchronize, connect, acknowledgement. These types of it will send TCP SYN packages to the target IP and check the open ports. UDP scan. A lot of options are available. You can specify the port ranges, which ports you want to scan for, and let us scroll down. Minus A, which enables the operating system detection, so you can detect the target operating systems. So for us, let's scan the open ports, and you can do it by, let's scroll up, and here you will see SV, probe open ports to determine service version info. So by passing this option minus SV, you can determine which service is running on the target machine and which version of the service is running on. So let us clear the screen and do the scanning. Minus SV, and what was the IP? 10.10.10.131, and it started. It will take some time because it is scanning from port number 0 to 6055 until 535. And here you can see the list of services that are running on the target machine, and here is the version info in the port 20. This is the port numbers. Port number 21 is running FTP and the version is FTPD 2.3.4. Same on SSH on port number 22. Telnet is running on port number 23, and a list of services are running on different ports. And here you can see the operating system detection but we didn't have passed the minus o option or minus a option, but it is determining that the target operating system is Unix Linux and the CP is Linux kernel. So let us scan the operating system as well, minus o, or you can pass the minus a option as well also. Oh, but it requires the root privilege, so we must have to pass the sudo option. And minus a option is returning a detailed information about the host, which service is running, what version, what is the vulnerabilities of that version. And here you can see a lot of things can is discovered by the option minus a. Port number 21 is running FTP. The anonymous FTP login is enabled, so it can be a vulnerability. We can hack the FTP using anonymous FTP login, what we are going to do in the next video. And you can see the SSH host keys for SSH, so it can be also be vulnerabilities. um, this operating system is full of vulnerabilities because it is made to be hacked, so that you can perform hack on this operating system. So let us see, and here you can see the operating system detailed, and the network distance is one hop only, means it is inside of this network in which the Kali is running, and the host script. So we have successfully performed a scanning operation on the target, and uh, and now we have a list of services that are running on the target machine with their port numbers and with their vulnerabilities. So try to hack one of the service, one of the port. If you are interested in hacking, so try to hack one of the service, or using one of the port, which will make you more confident on hacking. So please try to hack one of these port. And in the next video, we will learn how to hack the VSFTPD protocol, which is running on port number 21, using the feature which was we have seen, the anonymous login was enabled, which we will use these vulnerabilities to hack on the machine. The anonymous FTP login is allowed. So click like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.